My name is Helen Lee. My formal name is Hai. It's very confusing a lot of times, so my students call me Helen. I'm right now is with the Duke University Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. I'm associate professor here, working on computing systems. What I'm doing, in fact, is more on the algorithm and hardware design side. So within the robotics, usually we divided our topics into, for example, the mechanical part and also algorithm part. So my focus, in fact, is more on the algorithm part. I'm working on deep neural networks and machine learning algorithms. I also working on the computing systems designs. So let me give you two examples. The first example is talking about the DNN algorithms. So when you're doing a lot of robotic operations, you might leverage some DNN algorithms and saying, okay, for example, reinforced learnings and for example, some CNNs for the image catching and classification recognition, those applications. So those actually within the domains of my research studies. Beyond that, I'm also working on the hardware designs. What I meant, in fact, is in our labs, we developing the hardwares and we developing the softwares and according to the hardwares. For instance, if you're working with the drones, right, you tend to make it to carry a lot of operations. So many operations, if you run with the DNNs, in fact, the model is really large and the computation requires a lot of power consumptions. So what I'm trying to do is to compress the model so that it can fit into small drones. So the drone can have the same performance, but probably can perform and last a longer time with the same battery support. Just a very brief summary is essentially I'm working on software and hardware co-designs for the intelligent system development.